Yeah. I saw me look on me just blood clot. Wake up, me just wake up and I wash my face. Me brush my teeth, me do not eat a blood clot. Stinking, stay bad blood clot. Nasty blood clot, Kenneth. Anything you do, anything you say I got blood clot do. Not talk it, do it. Just blood clot, do it. Because if you don't feel that girl, I want to eat that blood clot girl. When I have a next thing blood clot coming. My mother and my sister and nobody from me never gonna do none of blood clot line. Go join a blood clot line yet. Forget nothing for nobody. It's a bitch. Make up a mind and make a blood clot start it. And I could do anything. You say you got blood clot though, cause that girl not afraid of no blood clot girl. Nothing at all a girl not afraid of. And I'm gonna come make a blood clot stagnant. And I'm gonna come make a have nothing about you now. And I'm gonna come make a have no ambition. And I'm gonna like say I don't want people for blood clot, bow down to them and about to blood clot, girl. But bow to God. I'm not even bow to God sometimes, because sometimes I never pray a blood clot. Cannot come take a neck and broke under my dirty stinking battle wall. And cannot say any blood clot thing or any blood clot thing, because guess what? When I dig a hole, and a 2 hours where them say for blood clot dig, you're going to need about 15 to 20 blood clot hole for dig. Because me a blood clot alone, I'm going to carry down 19 ounces of that blood clot. So here what you do anything what you want to do. Call me name to anybody who want blood clot, call me name to, but girl, make sure, just make blood clot sure. So anything you do, you prepare and you well blood clot embrace for love, because you feel so you blood clot own America. And like what you blood clot own America, you have my destiny in a blood clot America. I'm in a blood clot frightened for America, because I never born here. You for blood clot frightened for America, because you blood clot but now you get shit out up here. So you for blood clot frightened for I'm not supposed to blood clot frightened for here. And you talk about this and you talk about blood clot, that's what you gotta do for what you gotta do. Make sure your blood clot do it. You know what to say? I'm going to talk about my blood clot mind. Post a blood clot video, I'm going to show your blood clot up to, or send a blood clot message from FBI, anywhere you want blood clot, send it to anyone in your news carrier them. Because when I hear the news, I want to hear what you say, and what you say a liar blood clot tell. Liar blood clot tell, come on mix up. I'm going to mix up a uno blood clot, mix up a uno go wash off on a dirty blood clot and go cleanse on a dirty blood clot, nasty heart. Move on a blood clot. When you say me ugly, you say me this, I'm stay bad, I'm all these bad things are blood clot, but my love. But my pride and my ambition turn a blood clot. And with ambition and happy blood clot succeed. I'm not walk and depend upon a girl, I'm not wait upon a blood clot handout. So I'm not going to live for some being a girl blood clot tail end. When I got chuck open and a mama big pussy. Because then I make no matter the blood clot I face all of America. And if a blood clot run come with a Jamaica we do no blood clot. When I go suck out to a mama and suck out to a sister, suck out to a brother and a father have a blood clot. But they go dig up your dead father and name him blood clot born. I move a blood clot and go away. And the thing you can blood clot scare me. And me saying I have no blood clot heart. Try me bitch. Just blood clot try me. Just blood clot try me. Just more you just try blood clot me. And then you will see the blood clot at a claps. There's 3 sides to a blood clot story. And when my story blood clot is going to be told, you're not going to blood clot like because your whole blood clot family are going to come down with you. Your whole blood clot family are going to come down with you. And your whole of your blood clot clique them with your friend them. And nobody for come down with me a blood clot. And me alone. So at the end of the blood clot, there's stinking blood clot, nasty Kenneth. Dirty blood clot, Kenneth, we don't even have a good bed in your blood clot house. There's no return for me right now. Because on the bomber clot bad mind, and the tall eye and the blood, and the born America, and the born America, and me come America, and they still have blood clot problem issue. On the walk and put up on a blood clot American passport, and I do nothing for you now. On the American passport, I don't know nothing. Every time I come up here, I buy my blood clot ticket. When I wait for a girl for beg my father them come America. I'm going to wait for a girl. I said, me I beg on help me buy my blood clot ticket. And me buy my own blood clot ticket. Dirty blood clot can you never have nothing for the day you're upon the earth. Can you not have a bed of sleep in a blood clot. Nasty blood clot, Kenneth, I'm say you can't put fridge in your blood clot house. Dirty Kenneth, when I'm say you can't put stove in your blood clot house. Dirty Kenneth, when I'm making a blood clot money and you don't have a decent blood clot bed in the house. See bed there. See blood clot bed there. Bed with head. See blood clot bed there. Bed and see bed blood clot there in my room I lay down. See blood clot bed there. See bed there. Bedroom set. Bedroom blood clot set. Bedroom blood clot set. Stinking blood clot Kenneth. And when you talk and when you do your blood clot do, cause girl I'm say Me have prepare for a blood clot. If you want my address, I can give my blood clot address. If you want my social security number, I can give my blood clot social security number. Just ask if I'm give it. I'm going to show you who I got blood clot go down. Can you think me an idiot? When you think me a blood clot idiot, I hear a blood clot book dirty up. I hear a blood clot book dirty up, dirty girl. Anthony, Angel, the whole of honor your mother, Poochie, the whole of blood clot honor, the whole of blood clot honor, all of honor Denise, Nikki, the whole of blood clot honor, the every blood clot body, every mama blood clot body. So no talk up to me now. I'm know on a blood clot depend. I'm know on a blood clot depend. Me talk about blood clot Batman and I go straight. I talk about something else. And I that for blood clot though. I that the one do long time. I say the thing on the blood clot carry the angel. You never say no. The one on the blood clot have a car belly for me. And that's what the kind of blood clot belly for me. Cause I'm supposed to used to give them a blood clot things. Won't never give me in a life yet. Talk to me when you never give me a blood clot life yet. When I don't try blood clot bring me down and try disgrace me. And try to take everything that is bad about blood clot me. And the pretty, and the pretty, and the cute, and the this and the that, and the looks like you know, when the blood clot young, me have 30 blood clot for older than blood clot, and I can still stand after that, and I see my young same way. One time when the blood clot just come out, and I fuck for a blood clot 13 or 12, come on, as I catch, I will make them put a blood clot dead for your life, because I will call all of the blood clot boy them no longer about what you say fuck your dirty girl. Nasty blood clot girl, come have the boy them name. And the next video I make, I call them blood clot name, so make me know what you're up to. Let me know what your mama blood clot up to. You stink the blood clot, but you go what you call for what you go do. I'm not afraid of that, I'm not afraid of blood clot now, because what used to be will the blood clot be. When you not pray bad prayer for blood clot me, pray for yourself, for your mama and your sister and your brother have a blood clot body, and your niece and never have a blood clot body. When I walk and pray bad prayer for girl. I wish blessings from blood clot girl, and I'm making have no blood clot ambition, and I'm making own nothing in a life, and I'm making have a blood clot. You don't have nothing. So the book where you walk and I brag about the blood clot book, make use of the blood clot book, opportunity there. So come get blood clot opportunity and come live off a welfare. You nasty blood clot, worthless, stinking nasty Batman. Are you are the definition of worthless Batman? I'm talking to me want blood clot talk, I want to give strength. I want to give blood clot strength for drama down. I want to give blood clot strength for do what you say I go do stinking blood clot. Nano pussy, rotten body Kenya to walk and take them whole of the madman in my blood clot New Kingston. I'm going to take the madman in blood clot New Kingston. I'm going to walk and take any in the blood clot man. I'm going to have a good wall. I have a good, nice, clean vagina. I'm going to walk and shit and splash up and do the things them I love. I'm going to do them something. I'm going to do a big things, I do everything I'm going to do clean. When I talk about people dirty, and on the blood clot dirty, on the dirty for the band. On the dirty for the blood clot, I conceive on the dirty. And you don't know nothing about me, say anything you want, fabricate and make up and talk. Your blood clot talk, the video 8 minutes up long. I hate your blood clot, I hate the whole of I hate on a long blood clot time. I say I not look for now. I don't blood clot look for now, I want a friend from me, so I do anything I want blood clot, do come in an idiot girl. And 9 blood clot stuff, I have 7 ones and 2 blood clot 2, so I know I can blood clot talk. And if I get like a try to bring me down, I try to put me down, I try to do me something, I line out blood clot, because that girl and I eat that. Come there when I'm observe, I'm look, I'm watch, I never meet nobody at a blood clot. I never meet nobody at a blood clot, so no talk up to me. On a blood clot, talk up to me and talk on, and get blood clot straight, kind of thing, I'm talk at the opposite. When I move on a blood clot, and come suck me.